Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss physics topic. Here in this physics class, last class we studied about series connection and parallel connection of resistors. There today we are going to discuss problems on that formulas. We learn two formulas for series connection one and parallel connection another one. For the on that two problems we are going to do problem. For physics problems, very easy. We must know the basic mathematical fundamental formulas, how to do technique, addition, subtraction, division, this multiplication, this four. If you know easily, you can do physics problems. Okay, here in these physics problems, first you have to read the problem. What you are given, that problem you have to read. What you are given, we have to find first. Okay, right? You are given in the just words like 10 ohms, 20 ohms, 30 ohms. What are they? We don't know. First, you have to convert into symbolic form. After that, what we have to find? What we have to find, that you have to decide resultant resistance. Here nothing but resultant resistance, nothing but equivalent resistance. That only resultant resistance. Don't get confused. Both words are same. Here what we have to find? Resultant resistance. For what you are given, that R1, R2, R3. These three are R1, R2, R3, and these are given. Here first read the problem. After what are given, you have to write in the symbolic form R1, R2, R3 like that. After that, what we have to find, that also you have to decide. And after that, what is the related formula for that given data, given information? For that given information, what is the formula you have to decide. If you already learn that, you have to remember once again and write it and substitute in that formula, and you have to simplify, then you will get solution, answer. Okay, here what is the problem? Three resistors 10 ohms, 20 ohms, 30 ohms are connected in series and parallel. First question, series. A and B are given. A is the series and B is the parallel. Then find the resultant resistance. Then find the resultant resistance. Here find first series, after that parallel. To both connections we are taking. So we know two formulas easily. You have to substitute and write. First three resistors. Resistor 1, resistor 2, resistor 3. First what you are given, we have to convert into symbolic form. R1 equal to 10 ohms and R2 means 20 ohms and R3 is 30 ohms. First we are doing for series. For series connection, what is the formula? R equivalent. R equivalent means resultant. Resultant means no need to write here. R equal, right? Here R1, R2 are separate. Resultant resistance equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. This is the formula we know already. In series, R equal to resultant resistance equal to 10 ohms plus 20 ohms plus 30 ohms. How much? Resultant resistance 10 plus 20, 30, 30 plus 30, 60. 60 ohms is the resultant resistance. Here individually you have to observe 10 ohms, 20 ohms, 30 ohms. When we add, we will get 60 ohms. So in series connection, resistance will increasing here, where all are less than this resultant resistance. All resistance individually you can observe means the resultant resistance always more than the individual resistance. Okay, we are adding now, that's why we are getting more. Next second B1. Here ohms compulsory mention the units, otherwise the problem considered the wrong, that answer is considered as a wrong. Okay, compulsory you have to mention the, if you don't know anything, this ohm, this they won't give resistors 10 ohms, 20 ohms, 30 ohms, find a series resultant resistance, means like that they will ask, means by seeing units only you have to find what is the parameter, that what is the value for what, ohms for resistance, ohms are the symbol units for resistance. By using this, these are you are given resistance, 3 resistors resistance. Okay, 3 resistors resistance you are given. Next same B1 parallel. We know already R1 equal to 10 ohms, R2 equal to 20 ohms, R3 equal to 30 ohms. What is the formula for parallel connection? Parallel resistors in parallel means, what is the formula? 1 by R equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. Here 1 by R equal to 1 by R1 means 10 ohms plus 1 by R2 means 20 ohms. Here plus 1 by R3 means 1 by 30. Here take 1 by R. 1 by R means 1 by 10, 1 by R equal to 1 by 10, 1 by 20. For this 3, what is the 10 plus 20 plus 30? Here 10, 20, 30. Here these 3 values you have to take LCM. You will get what we will get? Take LCM means we will get 60 will get. C 10, 20, 30. Take LCM, you know na LCM how to do. 10 table, 10 1 ja, 10 2 ja, 10 3 ja. Here 2 table, 2 1 ja. This one already there, 1 2 1 ja, 3 as it is, 3 table, 3 1 ja, 3. Here 3 2 ja 6, 6 10 ja 60. For 60. Here take what is the 60 plus 10? 6 will come, plus here how to find 10 into 60? 0 0 get cancel, we are 6 1 ja 6 will get. Here 1 by 20 means 20, 3 ja 3 will come, plus 32 ja 2 will come. Here for this, what will get? 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 2 11, 11 by 60 will get, 11 by 60. Here this you have to 11 by 60 value how much? Divide 11 60. Eleven by 60 how much will get? Like that, not here. Take convert directly, you will get a here this is 1 by R equal to 11 by 60. Here reverse it, R equal to 60 by 11. Easy you will get 11. 11 5 ja 55. We need a resultant na R equal to, here 5. take borrow means 5 will get, take 0.0, (11) 4 ja 44. Here 6 will be there. How much will get? R equal to 6 means again you will take means 0, 11 5 ja 55. Again 5 will get. How much will get? 5.445 ohms. Next, second question. Two resistors R1 ohm and 12 ohms. Here he had not given R1 value, and second one resistance 12 ohms are connected in parallel in a circuit, parallel connection. The resultant resistance he had given, resultant R he had given, and resultant resistance is 3 ohms. Find the value of R1. Here solution. What is R1? R1 means R1 ohm only. R2 means 12 ohms. Next, R you are given 3 ohms. What is the formula? Connected in parallel circuit. What is the formula? 1 by R equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. Here what is that? Here 1 by only 2 resistors, na? You have to take 2 resistors only. Don't go for third one. Then 1 by R equal to 1 by R1 means R1 only plus 1 by R2 means 12 ohms. Here R means what? R means 3 ohms. Right? 3. Here take 1 by R1 as a same position. This will be bring this side 1 by 3 minus 1 by 12. This plus 1 by 12 will come in this side means minus 1 by 12. This take LCM 1 by R1 equal to 3 12. LCM how much? 3 comma 12. 3 1 ja 3 4 ja. Here 4 table. 1 asked is 4 1 ja 4 3 12. We'll get 12 is the LCM. Next 1 by 3. This fraction you have to convert into number. 12. 3 1 ja 3 4 ja 4 minus here 12. Next 1 by 12 means into 12 means here how much will come? 1 will come. Okay. Next here 4 minus 1 means 3 by 12. 3 by 12 means 3 1 ja 3 4 ja means 1 by 4. Here 1 by R1 equal to 1 by 4. R1 equal to 4 ohms. Reciprocal na, you need R1, not 1 by R1. Okay, you need R1, not 1 by, here R1 equal to 4 ohms. These are the physics problems. Physics problems basically your mathematical skill and your concept, what you are given, what is the related formula, what we have to find. Sometimes they will ask indirectly also some values we have to find. Suppose they will give diameter 10 meters of diameter means what is the radius. Indirectly we can find d by 2. D by 2 means 5 meters. 10 meters means radius 5 meter. Like that they will ask some problems in different chapters, lessons. Okay, mathematics relation. These are the physics problems. Thank you so much, all of you.